This is a Gorgonian that started to STN over a course of about a week, and I put it under the microscope and I found that the STN parasites are actually eating it, and that's why it's dying. So I got a little video here to show you some of these parasites. First guy is right here. And you can see there's a few more crawling along this filament of Gorgonian. Again, these are the STN parasites. The only treatment that's effective for these right now is the prime coral stop RTN coral dip and the prime coral prevent RTN in-tank treatment. Here's another guy just crawling along right here. Now this is a 100 times magnification with the microscope. So what you're looking at is a little strand of the Gorgonia right here, little branch. And these are little tassels or filaments of Gorgonian, and that's what these little bugs over here are crawling all over and munching on, trying to eat the zooxanthella. Again, on the microscope, this is 100x magnification. And these are the parasites. They're microscopic. They're probably about 40 microns long, and they are munching on the coral, eating its zooxanthella.